Hi there mga beloved yung soulmates! Welcome to Renzo Tarot Channel. Nandito lang po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo ng soulful meaningful na tarot reading dito lamang po sa inyo lagi na abangan sila sa baybayan ng Renzo Tarot Channel. Kaya mega shoutout po sa lahat ating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na lagi nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Ang ating pong reading ngayon na pagsasamahan ay isang bonus reading para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Pisces. Okay? Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. This is for you kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at nagustuhan niyo po at di pa kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe, comment, like, and share. And of course, kapag napanood niyo po ito sa ating TikTok account, ay huwag po kayo mahiyang mag-repost, mag-comment, mag-share, and follow our TikTok account, Renzo Taro 444. And also, if you want to avail a personal reading, mag-direct message po kayo sa ating Renzo Taro 444 na TikTok account. Okay, ulitin ko, this is for you, Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. I hope you're in a good situation, you're happy, you're healthy, and you're safe. Okay? Sige, isang shuffle, patog nating patagalin, pakunin na natin, Pisces, ang yung 10 baraha para sa yung bonus reading. Okay? Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael, the Archangel, gave me 10 cards, please. Oops, sorry. 1, 2, may nahulog dito. Babalik ko ha. So, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, 8 more cards, please, for Pisces. 3. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal simula noon hanggang ngayon na hindi niyo po ako iniwan. And andyan pa rin po kayo. Nakakataba sa puso yung mga support at komento. Maraming salamat po. Last 4 cards for you, Pisces, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. Okay. Sige, Pisces, your 10 cards are now complete. Huwag na nating patagalin pa ito. Let's lock these remaining cards. Let's begin. Para sa una mong baraha, Pisces, is Page of Swords. So, Pisces, I can feel her that energy na parang matapang na kayo ngayon. Hindi na kayo natatakot, hindi na kayo nahihiya. So, parang ngayon ay talagang you are now making a way or talagang gumagawa na kayo ng aksyon ng mga hakbang na hindi nyo na hinihingi yung opinion at ang validation ng ibang tao. So, it's like you're doing things by your own discernment at talagang pinaninindigan nyo na yung mga paniniwala nyo, mga ideas nyo, mga beliefs, or whatsoever. So, on all decisions in life, it is very good na parang nagmumula na sa'yo ngayon ang idea or yung decision making. So, you don't apologize to other people, you don't, kumbaga hindi na kayo napapapekto, so you don't make any excuses, talagang ikaw na talaga Pisces ang gumagawa ng decision ngayon so far. So, you're now independent, you're now free, you're now fearless, of course, you're brave, okay? So, tingnan natin. Pisces, nakakita ko dito na parang may isang offer daw na dumating sa inyo or may dating sa inyo sa mga dating na araw at linggo na pag-iisipan mo mabuti kung tatanggapin mo daw ba ito. So, siguro this is about job offer or maybe business related or whatever, maaaring new venture, new chapter of your life that you are waiting. Maybe may in-applyan kayo tapos may resulta na. So, ngayon pinag-iisipan nyo kung talagang ipagpapatuloy nyo yan. Or maybe you have a lot of things running on your mind na parang kinukonsider nyo. So, Pisces, expect an offer, help, or maybe an opportunity that will be opening for you na talagang pag-iisipan mo mabuti. So, it needs talagang thorough decision making. So, tingnan natin, Pisces, ha? Pangatlo is the 9 of Wands. So, Pisces, are you aware of this person? May tao daw na parang ini-stalk kayo, ino-observe yung mga decision mo, pinagmamasdan, inaalam yung mga nangyayari sa buhay mo. So, siguro kilala mo ito, you're aware of this person, maybe around your circle, family, friendship, or kung sino man to. But this is someone na parang nasa distansya, maaaring nakakasalamuha mo, but deep inside parang may palihim siyang plan or inget na nakikita ko. It's like somebody or someone is observing your decisions and actions in life. So, be careful sa pagtitiwala sa mga taong pinapakisamahan sa bawat araw, Pisces. Okay? So, for your fourth card is the High Priestess. So, Pisces, so, if you are waiting for something, you've been manifesting for for a result. May manifest ka, may pinagpipray ka, may wini-wish ka. So, I can see here na talagang hindi ka tumitigil at talagang tinataas mo ang lahat ng ito sa Panginoon at sa universe. So expect a very good result with this one. Although may 6 cards pa tayo na nakataob, but I can feel the energy of having a good result or positive result with the manifestation. So I can see, just be patient, okay? Just be patient lang. Kasi in God's and the universe perfect time, it will be granted for you, it will be given to you. So don't stop manifesting, don't stop praying, bibigay ito sa inyo sa tamang panahon. But I can see here talaga that your life, your heart and mind is filled with manifestations and prayers and wishes as of now. Panglima mong baraha, Pisces, para sa iyong bonus reading. Eto na. Sinagot na tayo. Di ba sinabi ko sa inyo? May 6 pa tayong barahan na nakataob. So here is the Ace of Pentacles. Expect if you are waiting, maybe kung yung ginagawa mo or pinaghirapan mo lately ay may kinalaman sa big amount of money or pera. So expect a big blessing regarding money. Finances will be opening on your doors or maybe an opportunity or help or whatsoever na basta may kinalaman sa malaking pera na inaantay mo or ine-expect mo, pinaprocess mo. So, expect na darating to. So, ibibigay talaga sa ito. Di ba sinabi ko, kung yan man ang minamanifest mo, talaga pinag-pray mo, sinabi ko sa inyo na nafe-feel ko yung energy that it will be given to you. So, i-claim mo na ito, Pisces. Congratulations in advance. I know that it will make you so happy. It's because matagal mo na talaga itong iniintay. Tama ba? So before we proceed to our last 5 cards in the second row, ulitin ko, kapag di pa po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe, comment, like, and share. And kapag sa TikTok niyo po ito napanood, please follow my TikTok account and send a message if you want to avail personal reading. Renzo Taro 444 po ang ating TikTok account. Okay? So let's continue pa sa yung pang-anim na baraha para sa yung bonus reading, Knight of Wands. Expect communication. Expect a good news that is waiting for you, ipapadala sa'yo or malalaman mo. Maybe good news is related to your career, your job, your studies, or any kind of thing na parang trinabaho mo lately. So sabi ko nga, it will be sent, the message or the news will be sent to you in the soonest time, dito magtatagal. And it will be good news kasi andito yung Ace of Pentacles. So expect a good result sa bagay na inaantay mo. Magiging mabilis ito talagang. Sabi ko, yung balita na ito na malalaman mo or madidiscover mo or ipaparating sa'yo, it will make you so happy. It will make you celebrate. It will lift your mood. It will cheer you up. So, congratulations in advance, Pisces, because you truly deserve this. Okay? So, maaring isa din to sa makaka-apekto kung bakit magiging talagang confident ka na with this Page of Swords na katapat niya. Pisces, para sa pampito mong baraha, we have here the King of Wands. So, para dito sa decision making na gagawin mo, na pag-iisipan mo regarding with a certain opportunity that will be offered to you or na ibibigay sa'yo. So, it needs, the universe is telling you with this King of Wands, it needs maturity sa pag-iisip. Kailangan mo talagang, kumbaga mag-level up na, wag nang basta-basta bara-bara sa mga desisyon, sa mga iniisip na bagay. Kailangan talagang pag-aralan itong mabuti. So, you need maturity. You need to transform your mind and heart into a certain level of maturity na kailangan na talagang pag-isipang mabuti ang lahat ng magagawin, pag-aralan, i-research, tingnan yung background, humingi ng payo sa ibang tao, ng idea sa mga taong kilala mo. So, it is a holistic approach ng pagdidesisyon. Hindi ito basta-basta na parang, it's like immature way of thinking na parang isip bata na ba, dahil gusto mo, papasukin mo, susuungin mo. So, hindi na ito. So, you're in the state daw, Pisces, na kailangan lahat ng mga iniisip mo ay, kumbaga, parallel or talagang nakakonect sa mga desisyon na gagawin, which because mahirap na kung mag-fail ka na naman. Of course, Pisces, mahirap nang magsimula muli from the scratch. But although, we can always start from the scratch, but of course sayang naman yung pinaghirapan kung nasa momentum ka na tapos bigla lang bumagsak. Pisces? Okay? So, for your 8 card is the 8 of Wands. So, tingnan mo, connected talaga. 4 of Wands dito kanina, 4 of Wands. Yung 9 of Wands ay yung someone na talagang nag-i-stalk sa iyo or parang ino-observe, tinitingnan yung mga actions, ang mga decisions mo, yung mga activities, yung mga ganap mo sa buhay talagang minomonitor. Yung katapat niya is the 8 of Wands. Before that person, siguro nakikita ko dito, parang naiinggit talaga siya kasi parang this is a windfall Hindi lang pera, pati sa career mo, sa trabaho, sa love life, talagang parang magbo-bloom at mabilis ang magiging paglago. So that's why this person is talagang parang nagulat siya kung paano mo nakuha ang mga ito or paano mo nakamit ang mga ito, how come that you come in that kind of position na parang, even though you know it yourself na pinaghirapan mo naman siya or talagang nilaban mo, it's because with this Eight of Wands talagang isang bagsakan na binuhos sa'yo lahat ng opportunities yung blessing. So that's why, eto nakita natin, itong Nine of Wands na to, this person is really envious, really jealous of you, Pisces. So talagang pag-inggit talaga, hahamakin yung lahat, okay? So, Page of Pentacles, ang pang siya mong baraha, Pisces. If your manifestation is regarding about money, stability of money, so expect that it will be granted for you. It will be given to you by the universe. You don't need to worry. Cast all your anxieties, cast all your worries. Tanggalin yung mga takot, pagdududa, pagdadalawang isip kung talaga mag-improve ang buhay mo, lalong-lalo na sa estado ng kaperahan. So there will be a big improvement. There will be stability with this one. So you just need to manifest it. Itaas mo, itiwala mo ang lahat ng ito sa Panginoon at sa universe, and you will be granted. You will be surprised. It will be coming to you. It will be given to you in the most unexpected way pa at unexpected time na inaakala mo ay darating. Okay? So, 10th and last card mo, Pisces, para sa bonus reading, tapusin natin ito with a very beautiful confirmation card. Here comes the Star. Here comes the Ace of Pentacles sa katapat niyo. Pisces, claim this one. Something big, something extraordinary, something amazing is about to come into your life. You will be receiving not only a big amount of money, but in all aspects of your life, talagang magbabago ang buhay mo. Career, love life, it will improve. Job, elevation, promotion, good news, papasa sa exam, visa approval, all aspects of your life will be granted, and your wishes and prayers will be fulfilled. With this Star card, this is a confirmation that your life will be, you're going to have a bright future. Your life will be filled with blessings and contentment and happiness in the future. Okay? You will be shining. Your life will be shining like a star. After all of those trials and darkest moments of your life, after all those painful experiences na pinagdaanan mo, talaga, babawi ka na naman. This will be a recovery for you, Pisces, after all those disappointments, mga kaguluhan, kalituhan, problema na pinagdaanan mo. This Star card, katapat niya Ace of Pentacles, magugulat ka. Grabe itong recovery mo. Sobra-sobra pa to sa in-expect mo na darating sa iyo. At sobra-sobra pa ito sa hiningi mo. I'm wishing you all the best in life, Pisces. I hope and I pray na marami nasasay ng Pisces ang makapunod nito ngayon. At kapag bago, ulitin ko po, pag di pa po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe. At sa TikTok channel, TikTok account po natin, mag-follow po kayo pag di pa kayo nakafollow. If you want to avail our personal reading, mag-direct message lang po kayo sa ating TikTok account, Rezo Taro 444. Thank you so much, mga pinamahal kong Pisces na soulmates, sa inyong muling pagsama. Nasa mga kayo naroon, mag-iingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.